Good evening, and thanks for joining us for 22 News at 5:30. I'm Ciara Speller.
And I'm Christina Demores. Snow cleanup continues throughout western Massachusetts after some areas received more than 1.5 feet of snow. But residents are either hindering or helping cleanup efforts.
And 22 News reporter Claire Overton joins us live in Springfield with the parking bans still in effect. Claire.
Ciara and Christina, many cities and towns in western Massachusetts had parking bans on Sunday into Monday to help with snow cleanup, but some cities and towns still have them in effect. Now, officials in Springfield told 22 News that these parking bans are important to help with the snow removal and cleanup efforts. And while many residents abide by the bans, others didn't. Some roads in Springfield can't be plowed the best and safest for residents due to cars on the streets that make it too narrow for the plows in some cases. But that doesn't mean the DPW isn't working.
DPW is still out there working, and we're going to continue. We're going to call 311. We've gotten calls here. We send them to DPW. They will still be out there working on streets and the dump trucks and other things, knocking down piles.
Aside from Springfield, parking bans are also in effect in Amherst on a number of different streets, Hadley for all winter months, Hatfield until further notice, Holyoke until further notice, Pittsfield until Thursday, and Westfield also until further notice. For a full list of the cities and towns as well as the specifications for each parking ban, you can visit our website at wwlp.com. Working for you live in Springfield, Claire Overton, 22 News.